This 2021 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, leveling jacks, stove-top burner, slideout, LP detector, water heater, DVD player, microwave, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is 8,975 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.